In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll start in Confluence, open your workspace in the browser, and create a new page. You can do this from the global create button or from within the space where your project lives. Give the page a clear working title so you can find it again easily. If your site offers a status report template, select it now. Templates give you a ready-made structure and often include helpful macros. If you don't see one, no problem. Use a blank page. We'll build the same structure in a moment. At the top of the page, add the essentials: the project name, today's date, and the reporting period, like Q3, week 2, or April 1st, April 15. Keeping this information consistent makes it effortless for readers to compare reports over time and for search to surface the right page later. Next, add the key sections. Create headings for progress, risks, blockers, and next steps. In progress, summarize what's been completed and what's currently underway, focusing on outcomes, not just activity. In risks, capture potential problems that could affect scope, schedule, or quality, along with brief notes on mitigation. In blockers, list anything actively stopping work and who or what is needed to unblock it. In next steps, outline the upcoming priorities and owners so everyone knows what happens after this update. To make status crystal clear, add visual status labels such as on track, at risk, or delayed. In Confluence, you can insert a status pill and set its color to match your label. Place it near the project name or beside major work streams so readers can scan quickly. Use tables, charts, or task lists to organize details. A concise table works well for milestones, owners, and dates. Task lists add checkboxes for action items. If you track metrics, insert a simple chart or paste a linked image from your source so trends are visible at a glance. Keep formatting consistent and scannable. Short paragraphs beat walls of text. When your report looks good, click Publish. Before sharing, proofread for clarity and remove any sensitive information that shouldn't be public. Then share the page with your team or management by sending the link or using Confluence's share option with a short note that highlights what changed since the last report. That's it. You've created a clear, repeatable status report in Confluence that keeps everyone aligned.